Capture the flag. This is a 6 through 9 fitness game. Students will be divided evenly into 2 teams. Each team will be given a different color penny. The goal of the game is to get all of the opposing team's flags into your base. The flags will be in a hula hoop with cones around the outside to make a box. If a player makes it to the opposite side and grabs a flag without getting tagged, then they can return the flag to their hula hoop safely. If they are tagged before getting to the flags, then they must go to the hula hoop jail and roll the exercise dice and perform whatever exercise it lands on 10 times. The team that gets all of the opposing team's flags into their base first wins. The losers will roll the dice and have to perform this exercise 20 times. You can modify this game several ways. If a player gets a flag but gets tagged before going back to their side, then they must drop the flag and go to jail. Modify also by having no goalie guard the flags, or a flag can be brought back to your own base if it is stolen. This will make the game last longer. Modify also by having the losers roll the dice twice and performing 2 different exercises. Enjoy.